Hey, what's up guys? It's Big Man Savage Dan back with another PS4 unboxing. And today I have the long-awaited Red Dead Redemption 2. Already getting great reviews, as we all expected. It's hard to pass up on these Rockstar games. They always do a great job. They're still supporting Grand Theft Auto 5 to this day. So couldn't pass up Red Dead 2. The first one was a blast to play online with my friends. And here's part 2. Not sure how many years it's been. I'm sure you guys don't really come here for a history lesson anyway. We just want to see what's in the box. So that's what I'm here for. I appreciate you guys watching. But I like to leave those there. If you want to pause it, you can read all that stuff there. So it does say, I'll make note that it does say that online is coming soon. It's not available at launch, as was the same with Grand Theft Auto. Seems like we had to wait a few weeks before they actually did the online, maybe months, I can't really remember. But the single player should keep us busy long enough before all that hits. So here's a look at the spine, guys. Sorry, I'm trying to use my camera flash here. It's a little bit too much light, but the lighting in here is glaring every which way anyway. So anyway, let's just get to it, guys. Enough rambling on. We all know what this game is and what it's about. You've probably been keeping up with it for months. I haven't really kept up with it too much, actually, surprisingly. Just been really busy, guys, and just a lot going on. And anyway, let's just get this open. Shut up, quit talking. I was so tempted to get the oh yeah, I wanted to read that really quick. Says PlayStation exclusive, play select online content first on PS4. I guess they have some sort of deal where you're going to be able to play it online first with PS4 over the Xbox One. I don't know, I hate how they do that stuff. Anyways, yeah, I was so tempted to get the special edition, but I didn't really want to pay extra for an outer box and like an extra map and the in-game content. I didn't really care that much about. I think you could probably unlock all that stuff eventually anyways, so I don't want to pay for stuff when I can just get it for free. So let's see what's in here, guys. It says the War Horse and the Outlaw Survival Kit. And there is a code on the back of that, guys, so I can't show you the back of that. But it looks like you do get some stuff in the standard edition to download. And then you get this big map, and I think the difference in this map and the one that comes, well, it actually comes with both this and the special edition, but the special edition has another map which includes, like, I think bank robbery locations or some, I don't know, something along those lines. I'll try to get this in here, guys, but it's pretty big, so probably not going to be able to fit the whole map on the screen here. New Hanover. It is cool. I started to get the special because I didn't think the standard came with a map, but it is cool that it does. It just seems like all the Rockstar games usually have something cool in them. Like Grand Theft Auto had a big, huge map also. We about got the whole map in there, but there's a little look at the map. Got a few locations on here. I guess that's all the in-game locations and stuff. What else? On the back side, you got New Austin. It's just cool that they included something a little extra in there. Would love to have seen like a instruction book or something. That would have been cool. But that's cool. We get this big map, and this is, if you guys didn't know, it is a 2-disc game. So here's disc 1. I'm sure it may be for like the Grand Theft Auto. Maybe one's a disc for single player, one's for online. I think that's how it was. I can't remember. It's been a while since I played Grand Theft Auto 5. There's a data disc, it says. Okay, that's what it is. It's a data disc. You have to insert that first. It says right there, right underneath data disk, insert data disk first, and then the play disk, you put that one in second. to play the game. So take that out too, because it does look like we have a little bit of artwork on the inside cover. There's a better look at that when in focus. It's kind of hard to see that art. I'll slide it out just for the heck of it. I need to adjust it anyway. It's coming out a little bit. But just a little red scenery there for Red Dead Redemption. Extend your Red Dead Redemption 2 experience with the Red Dead Redemption 2 companion app, featuring a dynamic world and digital game manual and much more. So we do have like a dual screen thingamajig going on with this game, it looks like. Get this fixed back, guys, and we'll end the video. But I appreciate you guys checking out the channel. Sorry it's been a while. Like I said, just a lot of stuff going on. Trying to get settled into a new house still. And get in there. You guys know me, it's got to be perfect. It's got to be perfect. Anyways, that looks good enough for now. I'll fix it later. But I want to get this game installing because it's going to take forever, I'm sure. Just like GTA 5 did. This is a huge game, so it will take a while to install, I'm sure. But there you go, guys. This is the standard edition. There's many other editions out there. If you guys want to check those out, I'm sure there's a million of them on YouTube. But that's Red Dead Redemption 2, guys. Can't wait to try it out, especially when they get the online going. Just want to have some good times with my friends, just like I did with the first game. So thanks for watching, guys. If you liked the video, please leave a thumbs up and please subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks, guys. I'll see you next time.